All right, guys, I will never cease to be amazed at the weirdness of the locks you guys find and recommend I grab. This is if you believe the way this is advertised, it is a Roh Muratec door lock. I got it off of eBay for $31.55. Roh Muratec, and I can't read any of the rest of this stuff, but on the very corner here, I see something like Nomura Tech. That's kind of close. And then the rest of this, really got no clue. Flip it over on the back, you kind of see how it works, but more interestingly down here, you see, indeed, the website is in Japan, but the telephone numbers have a country calling code for Hungary, and it appears the whole thing is made in China. So it's quite a world traveler. The way this thing works, first time I've ever seen it, there's a bracket inside of here, fits around the door jamb. The door closes, and then you put this black locking mechanism on from the outside and keep the door locked. I guess it's for low security applications. No clue. So let's go ahead and crack this dude open and see how easy that lock is to pick. All right, that's not too difficult. So this goes around the door jamb, the door closes, and then the door fits in here, and you slide that dude right on there. Not too difficult. Pretty cool. This is rubber coated, but it's pretty heavy, so it clearly is made of some kind of steel. When I take a look at the lock or the key, it is a 7-pinner, kind of like a Kaba 8. The keyway is almost identical in size. It doesn't appear to be nearly as complex as a Cab 8. There are no pins on the top. There are only pins on the left and on the right of this thing. So let's go ahead and lock it up. Put it in this clamp like that. And back everything up here. Keep everything in frame. And see if we can mount him up in here. Get him picked. All right, see the camera kind of large, but I think we can make this work. All right, I believe, let's make sure when I pick it, or if I can pick it, yeah, see we're clamped up back there. There we go. All right, so let's put that dude back. Get in there. Okay, locked up. The bracket is just pinched in the vise a little bit, but I think when we get it picked, it's clearly going to rotate to there just like it did with the key. We'll know when it's open. Let's find a tensioner. Let's try somebody like this guy from the side. That ought to work. And of course it's a dimple pick, or dimple lock, so I will need a dimple pick. I'm going to use one of these guys. So the dimples are on the top. What I'm going to do is get the cat hair off there, apply a little tension, and see if I can find a binder. I'm going to slide it using the top of my tensioner as kind of a rest to keep everything aligned. Find a binder. There was one. That was on the right side. Second one back. That was a fourth one back on the, third one back on the right side. I think there's too much room. I'm going to try to go from the top. I think my pick is just a little bit too short to go off the top of that tensioner. Okay, no binders. I'm going to try the other end with a larger flag, see if that makes a difference. I can reach. Okay, that was on the left side, second one. And there we go. Let me get the pick out of there. Tensioner out. Pick is stuck. And I think we got to open. Yep, there we go. And again, I don't know what to call it. Roh Muratec door lock or the Nomura door lock or whatever you want to call this thing. Right straight off eBay. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. I don't think you want to use one of these on your door either. I've produced over 200 videos a year for the last several years and would really appreciate your support. All I'm asking is you subscribe, click on the like button for each video, and share them on social media. That's it. Thanks, guys.